The Rinda PV project is a 4.6 megawatt solar project on EBMUD's watershed land in Orinda.
This project will produce 10 million kilowatt hours of electricity per year, which is the same as offsetting the emissions associated with burning 7.5 million pounds of coal.
The East Bay Municipal Utility District is a not-for-profit public agency that provides high-quality drinking water for 1.4 million customers in the eastern San Francisco Bay Area. EBMUD already generates electricity from its hydroelectricity, its biogas, and its solar projects. We have 11 projects already in service and 2 others in construction.
The grid in California is really getting greener and greener every day, and that's by state law. But because our board of directors has an even more aggressive goal to get to carbon neutrality even faster, we're building projects like this to accelerate us toward that goal. Collectively, these renewable resources are helping us obtain and achieve our goals for being carbon neutral by 2030 and really aligns well with our pathway to renewability.
The EBMUD has this vision to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030, and it takes a customer with that type of motivation and that type of audacity to execute on a project of this scale, and that's where we can come in and be a great partner for them.
Municipalities or businesses can invest in a PPA with TotalEnergies, lock in renewable energy at lower rates, and fixed for 25 years.
The generation from this project that goes onto the grid, it passes through a meter, and then we can deduct that energy from other bills that EBMUD has. So from our perspective, it's very economically attractive. This project will go on for 25 years, and those economic benefits will happen year to year. The other benefit to us is that we are not experts in solar development, and that's why we partner with companies that are experts.
So while EBMUD is interested in their electricity, interested in their carbon neutrality goals, they're depending on us to be their partner to be able to deliver that so they can focus on their core competency.
We're always trying to lower our operating costs. Every day the sun is shining. It's producing cheaper electricity for us, and that will save money for all of our ratepayers across the board.
We're going to be partnered with EBMUD in this site for the next 25 years, optimizing it because every kilowatt hour that's produced, EBMUD is saving money, and every kilowatt hour that's produced, we're recouping our investment in this project.
One of the extraordinary features of this project is how we were able to blend it into the Orinda environment. Based on the placement of the vegetation and the lay of the land, it's not very easy to notice. We're very proud of how subtle the project has fit in. There were various habitat considerations that we mitigated with creation of habitat elsewhere, replanting of trees, creating wetlands. So this allows the project to coexist with the local habitat beautifully.
EBMUD's part of this community, and so this project for them is part of this community as well.
Any project that produces renewable energy and lowers your carbon footprint should be an inspiration to anybody. The economics of it are very attractive, and it's very novel. I mean, you typically don't see water utilities investing like this. I think it could be inspirational to just thinking outside the box and stepping outside of your normal business model.
This is a real marquee project for TotalEnergies. It's a beautiful project, it's big, it's operating, it's co-located where many of our employees live. Many of us are customers of EBMUD and the utility, and it's a real showpiece for years to come for us as employees and for the community at large.